Short-term downtrend. And then we got an uptrend. Right? So uptrends go up, downtrends go down, and then sideways trends go sideways. So you really just want to wait till it really breaks out this zone. So what I like to do is I like to put alerts, and when these alerts go off, you want to see. I'm gonna show you the pattern that you want to see when the alerts go off. And you can put any type of message in here you want. And this is an alert. So these alerts will go off when this will help you as a trader be patient, because we have three keys to trading is being patient, disciplined, and consistent, right? And if you know how to utilize those three pillars, right, you're going to be able to be a successful trader. So this will help you be patient before you're getting a trade. You're not rushing into a trade. You rush into a trade, you're gonna lose money, right? Um, just be a good manager of your trades, right? Right, and then I put a alert down at the bottom. Right, so this right here is the bottom. This line right here is called the support,